How to follow people on Snapchat. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to actually follow famous or like well-known people, and then I'll also show you guys how to follow your friends, for example. But yeah, so I'm going to go over here to my stories, and here you usually have stories from actual, like big accounts. For example, this one, it's like a big account, but also from actual people, for example, here. And what you can actually do is click on the top left corner on their profile, and here you can see add. Now, if you click on add, you have now added that person, and you're basically following them. Now, that's actually pretty cool, and you can also do that if you go to the Snapchat Spotlight. You can, for example, swipe and then click on an account, then also click on add right over here. So that's how to follow basically like well-known people. Now, if you would like to follow friends, let's say, one of these people at the top would be a friend. I can, for example, click on their profile, and then here I can also click on add right over here. And that would also, for example, basically follow them, I guess. So yeah, that is how to follow people on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.